Hey there everyone, Prashant here. Welcome back to my next video. Today I'm gonna talk about the unmatched dominance of a Microsoft in a tech world. Let me explain. You might heard about the operating system like a Windows OS. The possibility of a computer and a laptop for each and every individual in this world is just managed by the Windows, and that is owned by the Microsoft. Microsoft leaves their footprint on a documentation world as well. The package like a Microsoft 365 including a Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint is just help the people to make their presentation, documentation and data analytics with the more flexible and convenient as well. Now we have a code editor. 90% of a student start their coding journey with the help of a VS Code editor. Even though VS Code editor becomes the favorite and the developers can fall in love with the VS Code editor, it is because they have the many more extension with the themes available on a dark and a light as well. Even though VS Code editor it becomes my favorite nowadays, again we have a social media. LinkedIn is the more valuable and a special place for the entrepreneurs, developers and many more professionals, and that is just owned by the Microsoft. Now we got a browsers. The browsers like a Microsoft Edge with the inbuilt AI chatbots is just an amazing thing and a magical things in a browser world. Again we got a version control system, Git and a GitHub. Git and a GitHub is the one of the most popular tools among the developers community. GitHub will play an extreme role in a development as similar to the Sugar play in an extreme role in a team. Now we have a cloud. The cloud like a Azure provide a more scalable, more secureable and more flexible for all those businesses. That's why the Azure cloud dominant in the cloud world as well, and that is owned by the Microsoft. And let me tell you something about the OpenAI. Microsoft hold the some parts of OpenAI as well. That's why the Microsoft is able to dominate in the AI world as well. And back again to last part, that is a programming language. The programming languages like a C# with a .NET framework just a magical tools. Especially C# with a framework is used for the web applications, desktop applications, and the engines like a Unity provide for a game development environment. And the TypeScript is the next big things in a tech world nowadays. TypeScript is a subset of a JavaScript, and that is the replacement of a JavaScript for a type safety. Last but not least, the programming language like a Visual Basic, F# is also contributing in development world, and these all the product indicates that the Microsoft on everything on the internet. Maybe or may not be, Microsoft is a dominating company in a corporate world, and it provide the unmatched dominance in a development world as well. Follow Code Hustle for more videos.